Hi, this is Mr. Estrada. In this video, we're going to go over problem number 29 in the June 2012 Geometry Regents. Triangle TAP has coordinates T, -14, A, 24, and P, 20. On the set of axes below, graph and label triangle T prime, A prime, P prime, the image of triangle TAP after the translation XY to x minus 5, y minus 1. There are a couple of different ways to do this problem. What I'm going to do first is just apply the rule to the original coordinates, get my new set of coordinates, and graph it. So here are my original coordinates. The rule is saying to subtract 5 from every x coordinate, and it's saying to subtract 1 from every y coordinate. Okay, now in a translation, it's either going to be add or subtract. In this case, it's subtract for the x and the y coordinates. So when I apply this rule, subtract 5 from the x coordinate, subtract 1 from the y coordinate, to my original coordinates, I get the following coordinates listed here. -1 minus 5 is -6, 4 minus 1 is 3, and so on with the rest. And now you just plot the translated points. So T prime is -6, 3, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. 1, 2, 3, that's T prime. A prime is -3, 3, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, and P prime is -3, -1, -1, -2, -3, -1. Go ahead and connect your points, and that's the figure. Couple of things. You are required to graph and label triangle T prime, A prime, P prime. So just giving them the new set of coordinates does not really follow all the directions here. So make sure that you read the directions and you follow through on every single thing. Okay, now look, the other way that you could have done this problem is to graph the original coordinates. So I'm going to go ahead and graph the original coordinates. -1, 4. -1, 4 is right up here. And you got 2, 4. It's here, and 2, 0. And I'm going to go ahead and connect them. So, couple of things you need to know. When you subtract from the x coordinate, what you're doing is you're moving a figure to the left, right? Because you're going to the left when you subtract from the x. When you add to the x coordinate, you're moving the figure to the right. When you add to the y coordinate, you're moving up, and when you subtract from the y coordinate, you're moving down. In our current problem, we're being asked to subtract from the x coordinate, and they're saying subtract 5. So that means you're going to move 5 units to the left, right? And it's saying to subtract from the y 1, so that means you're going to move 1 unit down. So what you could have done initially is plot the original coordinates, and then just move each coordinate 5 units to the left, and then 1 unit down. 5 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 unit down. 5 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 unit down. And that would have been the translated figure. Okay, thank you for your time. Make sure you check out my other videos where I work on other problems from the Geometry Regents. Take care.